Listas, Policeman. Mariana Locón, Cecília donat el premi. 4.321.
Bet I can drive faster than you can. Come on, hoss, let's have some fun. Go on, shoot with the radar gun. You look bored and I sure am. Catch me if you can. Hey, hey, Mr. Policeman. I got a 75 fiber Trans Am. 455 up on the hood. Me and my brother got a running good. We got behind the old Ray-Bans. Catch me if you can. Go out, turn on the lights. So good. Come on, Smokey, it's time to race. Let's have us a high-speed chase. SWAT vans. That's no fair, not blocking the road. Where am I supposed to go? Time to use my backup plan. Catch me if you can. Hey, hey, Mr. Policeman. I bet I can run faster than you can. Make my belly in the cowboy boots. $100 says you won't shoot. I know these words like the back of my hand. Catch me if you can. Go turn on spotlight. So shine. I got run shoes and I'm younger than you and I got all eyes. There's no way you're keeping up with me, so go on back to Krispy Kreme. If you wanna quit, I understand. Catch me if you can. Hey, hey, Mr. Policeman. I said, hey, hey, Mr. Policeman. I'm in the jailhouse now.
Vinga, ves. Quin mosquit que tinc aquí. Hi ha un mosquit que m'està molestant molt. És el mosquit que més em molesta.